Hi, hello viewers. Alright, now we have a question on the board here. We are given various isotopes of atoms and we are asked to complete this particular table using the information given to us. And what are those informations? Protons, electrons, mass number, and neutron. We are asked to provide the numbers of the proton, electron, mass numbers, and the neutron found in these isotopes. Now, in order for us to get this particular question correctly, we have to analyze these isotopes. Now, if you look at this isotope here, the symbols, you find out that there are numbers down and numbers at the top. The numbers at the down simply means the atomic number, while the numbers written at the top are their mass numbers. Now, in order for us to get that, remember that atomic number is equal to the mass, atomic number is equal to the proton numbers. So whatever the proton number is, the atomic number will also be the same. And also the mass number is the proton number plus the mass number is equal to the proton number plus the neutron number, gives us the mass number. And also the electron is same as the proton number if it is neutral, but if the atoms is charged, then we have to reduce the electron number from the proton number or to increase depending on the type of charge that is being placed on that atom. Now let's just quickly dive into that question. This particular atom here, the symbol here is hydrogen and atomic number 1 and mass number 1. So like I said, what number of protons will be for this hydrogen? Since the atomic number is 1, the proton number will also be 1. Beryllium is 4. The proton number is also 4. Oxygen is 8. The proton number is also 8. Neon 10. Proton number 10. Sodium 11. And calcium 20. So remember, the proton number is equal to the atomic number. Now the next one, we are asked to write for the electron. Remember I said the electrons and the proton number are always equal if they are in a neutral state. So this hydrogen is in a neutral state because there is no charge. Beryllium no charge and neon no charge. So since there are no charges there, the proton number is same thing as the electron number. Now what about if the particular element is charged? Like 2 plus for calcium, Na plus and oxygen minus. What do this mean? This particular charge minus simply means the electron, 2 electrons have been added to this atom. 2 electrons has been added. So instead of 8 electrons, 8 plus 2 gives us 10. So the electron number found in this charged oxygen is 10. What about this? In a neutral state, sodium has 11 electrons. Now you can see a plus here. Simply means that 1 electron has been removed, meaning that the proton is now bigger than the electron. So instead of 11 electrons here, minus 1 here, this sodium will have 10 electrons also. Now calcium, instead of 20 electrons, which is equal to the neutral state, it's now having short of 2 electrons, and this is going to be what? 18 electrons here. Now the number of mass numbers, the mass numbers are written at the top of each particular element here. So the mass number of hydrogen is 1 here, and beryllium is 8, while oxygen is 16, neon is 20, sodium 23, and calcium is equal to 40. So the mass numbers is the numbers written at the top. What about the neutron number? Remember I said the mass number is the sum of the proton and the neutron number. So the proton plus neutron number gives us the mass number. So how do we now get the neutron number? We simply minus the mass number and the proton number. So this gives us 0 plus 1 minus 1 gives us 0. 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Yeah. 16 minus 8 gives us 8. 20 minus 10 gives us 10. 23 minus 11 gives us 12. And this gives us 20. Hope you learned something today. Have a nice day. Bye for now.